Hi friends, welcome to Hasni and Friends channel. Today I'm telling about how to make a finger ring. Let's start. Required materials: tweezer, glue, pearls, and a hanging, another tweezer like this, and hoop ring. Let's start. Now take the hoop ring and make like shown in this video. It's set to my finger. Now take the glue and apply glue to the hoop ring and attach the stones to the hoop ring. Attach all the stones like this. I'm attached all the stones to the hoop ring. Dry it for 5 minutes. It is dried now. Now take the hanging and twist it and make like shown in this video. Now the finger ring is ready. It is so nice. I like this. I make 2 finger rings like this. Check out the description box for my channel link. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.